the video. Ooh, no ABOUT, slim down in a hurry. Speedy weight loss tips and tricks. Hello there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of weight loss with a series of tips and tricks that will help you achieve your goals in a jiffy. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. First off, let's talk about water. Replacing sugary drinks with water can help curb your appetite and keep you hydrated, which is crucial for any weight loss journey. Next up, we have veggies. They not only add a splash of color to your plate, but also provide a boost of fiber and nutrients, which can aid in your weight loss goals. Now, for the training aspect, start slow and gradually increase your intensity. This will help you avoid burnout and maintain a consistent routine. Finally, let's talk about mindfulness. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite and taking time to chew properly. This will help you feel fuller faster. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Don't be swayed by quick fixes or gimmicks. Consistency is key when it comes to achieving your health and fitness goals. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health hacks. Until next time, stay healthy.